told you that most car incidents happen when you're not even inside your vehicle? From parking lot scratches to hit and runs, your car is more vulnerable than ever. And that's exactly why having a powerful car security camera in 2026 is no longer optional. It's essential. But here's the real question: which one actually gives you the best protection for your money? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best car security cameras in 2026, comparing them side by side so you can pick the perfect one for your needs. From crystal clear 4K recording to smart remote monitoring, we've got it all covered. And hey, all the links are in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. Let's jump right in number 5. Ever wished you could check on your car from anywhere in the world? Mind the Focusway L74G LTE Dash Cam makes that possible. And honestly, that's what sets it apart from almost every other camera on this list. Unlike traditional dash cams that just record and sit there, this one actively connects you to your car in real time using 4G LTE. You can literally open the app and see what's happening live. Pretty cool, right? Now, compared to something like the Red Tiger F7NP or T-Run Soul, which focus heavily on video quality, the Focusway L7 is all about smart security and remote access. It gives you dual 1080p cameras, solid clarity, and infrared night vision for the interior. But let's be real, it's not trying to win the 4K quality race. Instead, it wins in peace of mind. The radar-based 24/7 parking mode is a huge advantage, especially when compared to cameras like the Red Tiger F4, which need extra setup for similar features. And the instant alerts? That's something you won't get from most budget cams. Installation is also way easier thanks to the OBD cable. No complicated wiring like some multi-camera setups such as the IIWE YN9. But here's the trade-off. You'll need a subscription for full LTE features, which might not be ideal for everyone. So, who is this really for? If you're a rideshare driver, a parent keeping an eye on a teen driver, or someone who parks in risky areas, this could easily be your best pick. But what do you think? Would you rather have remote access or better video quality? Let me know in the comments. Number 4. Now, if you're someone who cares about crystal clear footage without spending a fortune, the Red Tiger F7NP might just blow your mind. When this thing records in true 4K using a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, and compared to the Focusway L7, the difference in video quality is night and day, literally. You'll get sharper license plates, better color accuracy, and much stronger low-light performance. Plus, unlike the Red Tiger F4, which only records front footage, the F7NP gives you a dual-channel setup with a rear camera, making it a more complete security package. And let's talk about that wide-angle view. 170 degrees means fewer blind spots, something even the IIWEYN9 tries to solve with extra cameras. But here's where things get interesting. While the IIWEYN9 gives you more coverage, the F7NP delivers better image quality and simpler setup, which honestly matters more for most users. The fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi is another big win. It's way faster than older systems, making downloads quick and painless. And unlike the Focusway L7, there's no subscription needed, which is a huge plus. However, it does require a hardwire kit for full parking mode, just like most cameras in this category. Overall, this camera hits that sweet spot between price, performance, and usability. So if you're a daily commuter or road trip lover, this is a super reliable option. But I'm curious, do you prefer better video quality or more camera angles? Tell me below. Number 3. Okay, now let's go all in on coverage, because the IIWEYN9 is basically the security guard your car never had. This thing doesn't just record front and back, it captures 5 different angles. Yep, 5. Front, rear, inside, and both sides. Compared to everything else on this list, this is hands down the most complete surveillance system. Even the T-Run Soul and Red Tiger F7NP can't match this level of coverage, so if your biggest concern is blind spots or side damage, this camera dominates. But here's the catch. It records in 1080p across all cameras, which means it sacrifices resolution compared to 4K options like the Red Tiger F4 or T-Run Soul. So it's really a trade-off, coverage versus clarity. That said, the Wi-Fi 6 support makes transferring all that footage surprisingly fast, which is impressive considering how much data it handles. Night vision is also strong thanks to multiple IR lights, especially for interior recording, something rideshare drivers will appreciate. Installation, however, is definitely more complex than the others. You're dealing with multiple cameras and wires, unlike the simple plug-and-play of the Focusway L7 or Red Tiger F4. But once it's set up, it's incredibly powerful. Compared to premium competitors like the Ventru N5S, the IIWEY N9 offers even more coverage at a better price, making it a great value. So if you want total protection and don't mind a bit of setup, this could be your winner. But be honest, would you go for 360-degree coverage or ultra-sharp 4K video? Let me know. Number 2. If you love clean setups and high-end performance without the bulk, the Red Tiger F4 is going to impress you right away. This is one of the most compact 4K dash cams on the market, and compared to the bulkier IIWEY N9 or dual systems like the F7NP, it's refreshingly simple. It focuses purely on delivering top-tier front video quality, and it absolutely nails it. The 2160p resolution captures incredible detail, often outperforming dual-camera setups where quality is split between lenses. And that touchscreen, it makes navigating settings feel just like using a smartphone, way easier than button-heavy models like the Ventru E1. Now here's the trade-off: no rear camera. So compared to the TERUNSOUL or F7NP, you're losing rear coverage. But in exchange, you get a sleek, discreet device that's super easy to use and install. The voice control is also a nice touch, letting you capture moments hands-free while driving. And thanks to 5 GHz Wi-Fi, file transfers are quick and smooth. For urban drivers or minimalists who don't want a complicated setup, this is a fantastic choice. But here's a question for you. Would you sacrifice rear coverage for better front quality and simplicity? Drop your thoughts below. Number 1. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate balance of front and rear protection, at the TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K Dual Dash, Cam easily takes the top spot. Why? Because it does something most cameras don't. It gives you true 4K recording on both front and rear cameras. That's a huge deal. Compared to the Red Tiger F7NP, which drops the rear to 1080p, this delivers significantly more detail from behind, perfect for catching license plates and rear-end incidents. And when you compare it to the Red Tiger F4, you're getting double the coverage without sacrificing quality. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor and f1.5 aperture also mean excellent low-light performance, making it reliable day or night. Plus, it comes with a 128GB card out of the box, which is super useful considering how much storage dual 4K footage requires. Setup is straightforward, and the app is user-friendly, making it accessible even if you're not super tech-savvy. Sure, it doesn't have as many cameras as the IIWEY N9 or remote features like the Focusway L7, but it strikes the perfect balance between quality, usability, and value. For most drivers, especially commuters, delivery drivers, and families, this is hands down the best all-around choice. So what do you think? Does dual 4K make this your top pick too? Let me know. So those were the 5 best car security cameras in 2026. From smart connected systems like the Focusway L7 to full coverage beasts like the IIWEY N9 and ultra clear 4K champions like the TERUNSOUL. There's something here for everyone. It really comes down to what matters most to you: video quality, coverage, or smart features. And remember, all the links are in the description below if you want to check current prices or learn more. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment your favorite, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.